Good morning. A successful camp, the most successful camp, in fact. No men, no dogs. I'm heading east today. I would rather be heading south, close to the Algerian border. There's a cool flat top mountain with apparently amazing views over Algeria and some Roman ruins. But I know from a motorcyclist friend I made in Tunis that he had a lot of difficulty with the National Guard in the El Kef area near the Algerian border. So regrettably, I'm gonna go east and take a route south further away from the border. This unnecessarily spiky plant, don't want to be going too near that. Didn't have shawarma. Whoa, that is so hot. So I've got shredded chicken. Check. Very good. If I've understood the French correctly, all these people are waiting for a delivery of sugar today. Came here for bread, but I've ended up with a cake and a citronade for 40 cents. That's mad. That's by far the cheapest yet. Bonjour. Un baguette, s'il vous plaît? Merci. So I was looking at why baguettes always cost 0.35 dinar, and I discovered that they are subsidized, and the last information I could find was from 2023, but it said the price had been 0.19 since 1984. Well, it's 0.35 now, so obviously there's been a big change lately, and apparently the cost of bread and bread subsidies are a big part of the Arab Spring, so I need to learn more about that. But in the process, I also discovered that Tunisia suffers from shortages of basic staples, including sugar. So yeah, I think I understood correctly. All those people in the supermarket were lined up waiting to buy sugar. Extraordinary. Oh wow. Okay, how does this work? Keep on to the end, I guess. Maybe tie the end around here just in case. Okay. something. Yeah! It's very cold. The post is to type, you donkey, of course.
Do you want to eat?
No, thank you. I have food. Thank you so much. No. You're most kind. Thank you.
Welcome. Huh?
Pretty wiped, and it's another hill from here, so just been hanging out at this very quiet mosque. Wonder if I can sleep here on the mats next to the coffin. See what happens at sunset prayers. Lovely sunset view, lovely dinner, absolutely nothing weird about leaning against a hopefully empty coffin. To the haters that say I always eat the same meal at dinner time, ha! Behold, halal salami. I was nearly allowed to sleep at the mosque and then not. Two very nice guys found me a place over the road, so that's the mosque just there. They seem like good guys, God-fearing guys, so I feel pretty safe here. It's a very small village. They know where I am, so hopefully all is well.